Welcome to the Super Gold 60 Key Chart Signals and Analysis. This is Morris. Now let's begin tonight by looking at a growth stock we just recently added to the position. We have a core on Tesla. We've owned it nearly 2 years now. It's up substantially. Most recently, as we went into November, October, we saw Tesla begin to explode higher, and we took advantage of that and sold. We also came back in on this trade and bought at right at that $900 level. It is up nearly $200 a share, and rather than taking profits on this with these histograms moving strongly higher, we'll use the profit lock, and that would be to put a stop loss on the position. If it touches the 1060 area, it will be taken out of the trade. What I wouldn't be surprised to see happen is another hard run higher, and if that happens, we'll move the stop up, and then when it does move down, we'll take the trading portion of that trade off of the table. The next charts that I want to look at will move to the gold sector, and GDXJ is the Gold Vectors VanEck Gold ETF. GDXJ is not the smallest of the small. As a matter of fact, we have a special service, the Super Gold Juniors, that offers more dynamic opportunities in the junior space. The reason I mention this, we are offering a New Year's special. You'll drop us a line, you'll get an extra low price as well as extra time. This is that season of the year where the junior space can be explosive. We are offering accommodating to get you in the door to this quality service. So as we look at GDXJ, the inverse head and shoulder, giving us a little bit of shouldering. I still like to panic. I look for a high right shoulder, not necessarily looking for a move all the way down to that area on the chart, but it may simply be one more tick lower and then the reversal. I wouldn't be at all surprised to see that, but I am looking for a strong rally into January. Now, the next chart I want to look at is another ETF, the junior space, actually outperforming on the neckline, the initial neckline, and we're pulling back to it. Volume also is interesting, and I am looking for a move up to $41. From there, let's look at one individual issue that we recently went long, and that is IM Gold. And at this particular moment, you see that same inverse head and shoulder formation, but I like this stock. What I wouldn't be surprised is to see more of a pause than a right shoulder corrective move. That could happen, but I wouldn't be surprised to see this just walk sideways, and then as we get into January, move straight up into the 345 zone, currently at just under $3 and a dime. That's all for now. This is Morris saying thank you.